Vaishali Ruparel. Her date of birth is 27th July 1981.
Okay.
Mumbai, 2 a.m.
2 a.m.
And also requesting everybody, in case Upmaji does decide to get you on to have a word with you, we would love to have you on with video.
Okay. So, Nilu, Vaishali's Venus is placed in the Leo sign, and she might be going through some financial issues because right now her planetary positions are not very supportive, and savings might be a big challenge for her. So she has written any question?
No question has come in. In fact, I can see that she's here, Vaishali. I've sent you a request. Vaishali is here, Upmaji.
Okay. Hi, Vaishali.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Bye.
So,
one sec, I'll on my video.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are having some issues in the job or getting business?
No, I'm basically a home baker and have recently started with all these modalities. Started with numerology first. And in my baking business, it is like very much on and off. Like sometimes I'm having a good response from the clients. Sometimes it is like very
Yes.
stable and sometimes. And
Yes.
as you said, savings, like I'm very poor in doing savings and all.
Yes, because Venus is in Leo. So it is like whenever you get money, you will invest either in the business or in your household. If anything in the household related stuff. So that's
Yes.
why saving will be always a challenge. Even if you get money from someone else also, to save will always be a challenge for you because Venus in Leo doesn't help in savings. So what you can do for your bakery business, just keep some camphor in the kitchen whenever you are working, like in a oil diffuser. You can place some camphor there so that its aroma can help you to attract more clients and get business.
So this is when I am baking or doing my baking business?
When you are doing your baking work.
Okay. Okay. And as you said, like it is like whenever money comes with me, it has already made a path to go away.
Yes.
Like there is some challenges in front of me wherein I have to put all my money in there, and again I'm back to normal.
Yes. For that, come in the class.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vaishali. Up next, we have Natasha Genia, and her date of birth is 24th of June, 1983.
24th of June.
Yes, 24th June, 1983, Mumbai. She's written 00.12, so I'm guessing that's midnight 12.
Midnight 12 minutes.
12 minutes, yeah, 12 minutes past 12, yeah.
And the place is Mumbai, na?
Mumbai.
Okay. Okay. So Natasha might be surprised because she is having the Gaj Kesri auspicious Raj Yoga. And Saturn is also good in her chart. So she will always say, astrologers used to say, I have a very good planets, but I don't have so much of money. Nilu, you are muted.
Yeah, I had my DJ was barking, so I quickly just muted myself. Let's ask Natasha this directly. Natasha sent you a request.
Hi, good morning.
Hi.
Good morning.
So is it true what Upmaji just said?
Yes, ma'am. I've always been said I have a lot of money, but It is not that I have lack of money,
Yes,
but
it is not lack of money, but like it is said, you have a Gaj Kesari Rajyog,
हाँ,
exaltation,
ऐसा कुछ
Saturn.
नहीं.
So it is like you are able to earn and live a luxurious life, but still you are looking for getting some more money.
Yes, yes.
And you are a very emotional, and you do your money expenditure in emotions.
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to become a little practical because your Venus is in the Cancer sign. That's why your expenditure goes in an emotional way. Okay. So try to make it little more from mind, not from heart.
Okay.
100% you are doing from heart.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And to
Ma'am,
make,
I am looking to buy a house, but things are not actually working out. इतना saving नहीं हो रहा है. What is my budget? I'm not getting a house accordingly. So, is it difficult or would it work out?
it is little difficult because first you need to become a little practical. Because of your over emotional nature, you are not able to do savings. And for this particular property purpose, you can do one remedy, and this remedy is for you and for everyone who is here on our call. Take a picture of a property, like you want to make a home or you want to purchase a flat. So take a good picture of a flat or a bungalow and place that picture in the north direction of the home. Daily look at that picture and just say, Lord Kuber, I wish to have this kind of property.
Okay.
And I am becoming the owner of. So it is like your emotional prayer. Do this and it will help you.
Thank you,
All the
ma'am.
best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. And that is for everybody, Upmaji,
Yes,
as you
it
mentioned.
is for everybody. That is a general remedy, because I know today many questions will come related to property.
So is this only for home, or is it also for
Any
for
kind of
business or
property.
any kind of
To
property?
purchase
Okay.
any kind of property, this is not for sale of property. It is to purchase. If you wish to purchase flat, bungalow, or land, for this.
Okay. So I have Seema here, but she's not given her surname, Upmanji.
It's okay.
Okay. So it's Seema. Date of birth is 7th of April, 1983.
Okay.
Place is Mumbai, and time of birth is 2:42 p.m.
AM or PM?
PM.
PM. And place of birth is Mumbai.
Mumbai. And Seema, if we have to bring you on, I can see two Seemas here on the dashboard. So which just raise your hand so that I can catch you.
For Seema, it is like she is also not able to do savings.
Seema's right
It's
here, in
like-
fact.
Hi, Upmaji. Hi, Needu. Good
Hi.
morning, everybody. Thank you so much for giving me a chance. Upmaji, you're right. Somewhere I would say savings. I am great at savings, but I am bad at creating money flow in my life. So I do not have stability with money, Upmaji.
Yes, unstable money. Like sometimes you will get, and sometimes it is like for some period you are not able to earn. And that's why at that time you have to use your savings. Okay. So it is like, because your Venus is placed in the Aries sign with other two more planets, this uneven uneven earnings is there. So you need to work on that. And Saturn is also not a very well placed planet in your chart, because Saturn indicates about career. So that's why do some remedies related to Saturn. It will help you. And the Saturn remedy, the very easy remedy for Saturn is keep your west direction clean. If there is some stuff which the unused stuff is kept in the west direction, Saturn becomes negative. Okay, take care.
Thank you, Seema.
Thank you, Seema.
Right. We're going to take one or two more on, Upaji. I have a few questions, so bring it on. And just letting everybody know that we will take on as many as possible. So hang in there. And we have Sujata next. I'm just give me a moment. Okay, again, I can see three Sujatas. So Sujata, a date of birth is 23rd of December, 1963.
Okay, time
9:30 p.m. Indore.
9:30 p.m. Indore.
Yeah. So Sujata, whose details these are, if you can raise your hand, then I'll know which one it is. No hand getting raised. Go ahead, Upaji.
Okay.
No, only Sujata, please. Thank you.
So in this birth chart, the placement of Venus is not very auspicious because it is combined with the Saturn planet. And when any planet is combined with the Saturn, like Venus and Saturn, these two planets are sitting together. This is known as a conjunction. In this course, we are not able to go through to understand about these conjunctions, because in the course I will explain about which one planet, because conjunctions, aspects, there are many things in astrology, and these will take time to understand. So here I am not going to say about that, and I will just say, because in this chart it is like there are some planetary position which indicates earning is difficult, and in the same way she is dependent on others for money, and normally it is a good chart, but somewhere it is like always looking for some luxury and not able to get that. I will just suggest, do only one remedy. Take milk in a bowl, and when going for a shower, and this remedy is for everyone who is looking to get some luxuries in life but not able to get, and like dependent on husband or children. So it is like there is a hesitation to ask for the money. So if you have a hesitation for asking money because you are dependent, then do this remedy. Take 2 spoons of milk. It can be any milk, cow milk, almond milk. Milk is milk. Take the 2 spoons milk. Then when you are going to take shower, before taking shower, spread that milk on the face and body, and then take the shower with the fresh water. It will help you to, without asking, money should come to you. Yes.
Interesting. In fact, people, two tips already, 3 in fact, because Upaji repeated the yellow mat if the bathroom is in the southeast direction as well. You've already given very nice tip for if you want to buy property, and now to receive money without having to ask for it. Thank you so much. We have Ketki on next. This is Ketki T. Shah, 27th of July, 1973.
27th July.
July 1973, Mumbai.
And time, what you said?
Oh, I'm sorry, there is no time mentioned here. We'll come back if given time. We'll come back to this. We'll move on to Mansi. This is 17th October 1977.
17th October 1977.
Time of birth is 7:25 a.m. Upaji, I'm so sorry. Give me a moment. I can see the name Mansi Datta, but you've written the name Shikha Chetul. So I'm not sure which one to take on. Sorry, Upaji. We'll just move
It's
on
okay.
we'll move on to the next. There's Namrata Dubey,
Huh.
7th of June 1972.
7th June 1972.
Yes, Lucknow, 2:15 p.m. And Namrata is here as well. Hi, Namrata.
Good.
Hi.
Yes.
Can you be a little louder?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, Upaji, can you hear Namrata?
Yes. Yes, yes. Hi, Namrata.
Namaskar, Upma ji.
Namaskar. Namaskar.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yes. So, Namrata, do you have some issues in job?
I have just stopped working.
You just stopped working.
Yeah, last year. Yeah.
Yes. And like when you are working, it is like you have some issues with the team members, like somewhere you have to work a lot, or it is like your nature, you will take all the
Yes.
responsibility, and you will at the end you will write their names because it is a teamwork, but you
Yes.
do as a main 80% work you will do, and your team members will do only 20-30%.
Yes.
Yes, because your Venus is placed in the Gemini sign.
Okay.
Okay, and with the Mars. So that's why it is like, because you look for everything should be very nice. It should be at the optimum good level. So,
Yes.
and you are not able to trust others. Trust means like if there is some mistake, you have to do from the starting. So you say, I will do, you support me in other areas. That's why. Yes. So, uh, you have any specific question?
So, since I have stopped working, how do I create my money stream?
Okay. Because your Venus is placed in the Gemini sign, so you can do some writing work or giving consultations, or you can just inspire others how to work. These are the some areas which will help you. You can make money from that. You can do by your own work, self.
Okay. So, going forward, I will be self-employed. Is that so?
Yes, that's so.
Okay.
Okay.
And it would be consultation.
Yes, you can go for that because Venus will help you in that.
Okay. And will I be receiving money from my husband?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
You can receive money from him.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and I also I have learned some modalities, so I am into healing. So will that help me?
You have to first see which
Hmm.
modalities you had done, and just make one modality as your master modality, and take other modalities as your supportive. If
Yes,
you
ma'am.
think you will do on every modality, then it
No.
will be like you are just roaming in the garden, looking at every flower, but not able to get attract particular one which is for you. Hmm? So
Okay.
check that and come in the class. That time we will discover.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you
Okay?
so much.
Thank you.
And no remedy for me?
You want to remedy? Okay. So like you are looking for the modality which is aligned for you, and right now because you are not able to you are not finding like which one is for me. For that purpose, take a photograph of a Shri Yantra and look at the Shri Yantra. Shri Yantra has all the good qualities to give us that guidance, what work I have to do. And this is not only for you, Nilu, this remedy is for everyone who has done many modalities or who is just looking what is the one stream which is made for me to get the guidance for the one particular area which can give me the source of income. We can just look at the Shri Yantra image for 10 minutes. Daily gazing on the Shri Yantra inspires and gives us guidance.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you,
ma'am.
Namrata.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
We're going to take one more person on Upmaji, and
Yes.
then because also want to let people know what's happening here right now is not just okay, you've come on, you've asked a query. What you're seeing here, people, is basically what you yourself can actually do for yourself, for your family members, and for people around you. It is that simple because Upmaji makes it that simple. Taking on one more person, and then we'll take on a few questions after that. There's Vaishali Nair, Upmaji. Her date of birth is 2nd September 1976. Time is 7 p.m.
7
and-
p.m.
Place is New Delhi.
Okay. Okay. So, Neelu, like till now I had spoken about Venus planet.
Right.
Okay. Now in this chart, I will tell you about the moon. She is here, Vaishali.
Yes, Vaishali. Hi, Vaishali.
I'm here.
Hi,
Hi.
Vaishali. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also good. So, Vaishali, your moon indicates about the mindset, and you are not very good in your savings because your mind says something, your emotion says something, and you do some other thing.
Very true.
Because your moon is weak in the chart, and moon indicates about our mindset, and we all know there are many types of money workshops, classes about mindsets, because astrology is the one part which gives about all the types of guidance, but moon is a particular planet which tells if I have this kind of mindset, I can change my perspective. And because moon also indicates subconscious mind, any modality which works on the subconscious mind, that helps. So if you know any modality which is related to that, because you are a lover of the modalities, healing science, you like to do, somewhere you get attracted towards all these things and you start, I will do this, but you are not able to stay at one place. You will do one thing at for some time, then you will skip that, go to another, then another. It is like always changing, and because changing, you start at one point, go everywhere, and come back to that one point saying, I had not got anything.
Very true, ma'am. So what is the
Okay.
solution, ma'am?
What is the
Solution?
solution? Is to make your moon strong.
Okay.
And to make your moon strong, place a conch in the northwest direction. That will help you to change the perspective towards money.
Okay, ma'am. And it could be any conch, right?
Yes, it can be any conch. Just place the conch in the northwest direction of the home, and you know how to check the directions. In the
Yes.
last summit, I had explained. There
Yes.
is a video in the Mystic Lotus YouTube channel.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care.